Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a purpley fall makeup look. I look naked, but I'm not. I'm gonna use the Rose Kisses by NATALIE20 Cosmetics. I hardly use this palette. She has the same name as me. I've been wanting to do a cosmetics brand, but a cosmetics line, but she has the same name as me, and if I do NATALIE Cosmetics, people are gonna search up her instead of me. Obviously she's gonna pop up before mine. I'm like I have to figure out a different name whenever I do this site. Not right now, it's just, you know, just putting it out there. And then, but yeah, it's so crazy. I don't have a middle name, so I can't choose my middle name instead. So I don't know. Anyways, it's purpley mauve nude shades. So I'm gonna try and use these berry tones to match my shirt. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna use raspberry today. So I already prepped my base. I'm gonna put it on my crease. Okay, now I'm gonna try and add the shade Plum. I'm gonna start in my outer crease. It looks really similar, you can really tell. Okay, I've been wanting to try this LA Colors Ice Pigment Powder. My PR sent me this a month ago and I still haven't used it. It's the shade Glam. I've used the brown one she sent me, but not the purple one. So I'm just gonna open it up. Oh, I still haven't taken off the tape or the safety cap. Listen, it's hard to take off, so I'm just gonna have to open it. I opened it really hard and everything fell, so I'm just gonna have to open it like that instead and use it. It's a pretty purple. Oh, it matches my nail. Okay. So I'm just gonna, whoa, I'm flashing y'all by accident. So I'm gonna put it on all over my lid. No, it's very like glittery, iridescent, shimmery. It looks pretty. It's really bright. I didn't need concealer. It's really nice. Okay. I think I'm gonna also add more glitter. Actually, I wanna add winged eyeliner. I'm extend it here and fill it in. It was getting too simple for me, so y'all know I had to make it creative. I just can't So now I'm gonna add this glitter liner and I'm gonna fill it in. To use black and fill it in. I'm gonna use the My Cosmetics eyeliner. I use it on my waterline. Drop it a little bit in the outer crease. Blend it with a smaller brush. Alright, so I'm gonna use the raspberry and plum shade and mix it up to put it under my waterline. I'm gonna use these old Tejana Beauty lashes. They already need to be thrown out, but these are like the smallest one that won't cover that little part that I wanted to show. So yeah, I'm gonna use the dual lash glue.